In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change language on RedNote. This can improve usability, especially if you're more fluent in English. It ensures better comprehension of features, menus, and notifications, making the app easier to navigate. To do this, simply head to RedNote. Tap right here to head to your profile page. You want to tap onto this settings icon. Now onto your settings page, select right here onto this second option. Then head to this very first option of language. Now these are the currently available languages on RedNote as of the time of recording this video. To select English, mark on it and it will save automatically. This ensures consistency and avoiding misunderstandings when sharing anything on the application. Well, that's how easy it is to change language on RedNote. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.